Welcome to the Harvard Business School online conference and the Global Chapters booth. It is an honor to be a guest lecturer at the Harvard Business School online conference, and thank you for joining us today. Today, I will share insights about disruptive entrepreneurial strategies through my PDC Formula. After this, I will speak about the Harvard Business School online global chapter as a chapter lead. My name is Gwen Mdinaradze. I'm the founder and CEO of Speakers Alliance Canada, an international speaking and consulting company, and the Harvard Business School online global chapter lead. Many of you already know that I'm the Harvard Business School Online Global Chapter Lead since 2019, and it has been a pleasure and a remarkable experience to represent the global chapter worldwide. In more than 30 regions around the world, HBS Online learners gather to connect, share experience and knowledge, get to know each other, and stay in touch. That's what we do right now. The global chapter is a great way to be connected with like-minded business professionals worldwide. Those who join our chapter will have the opportunity to attend the virtual events and the interview series facilitated by me. I feature select world's sought-after thinkers, certified and Hall of Fame speakers, executives, academics, coaches, and authors from all over the world. Up to date, I have led 22 virtual events and interviews. You can see here some of the pictures and the screenshots from the previous events and the interview sessions. My guest list includes former senior advisor to President Barack Obama, Anton Gunn, Canadian Positive Psychology Association founding chair, professor and speaker, Dr. Jamie Grumman, leadership professor, consultant, and speaker from the United Kingdom, Vlatka Hlupic, certified professional speakers from Canada and the United States, and many other successful executives, authors, and academics. I want to highlight that only 65 people in Canada hold the Certified Professional Speakers designation. All my guests and featured speakers are true professionals, and you can learn, grow, and communicate during and after each event or interview. I always facilitate the event on the meeting mode. It's not the webinar mode. So it's meeting mode because you always can stay connected. You always can unmute yourself and turn your video on and make an actual conversation with the guest speaker. So this is the advantage of the global chapter. Our members are people from all over the world. Despite their time zones, we have regular attendees who are joining us bi-weekly. I decided to lead the virtual events and interview series bi-weekly on the same day, Friday, at the same time at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So it would be easier for everyone to remember and join us more frequently. Since I started to lead the global chapter with our guests and attendees, we facilitated and celebrated Black History Month, International Women's Day, and facilitate the panel discussion with the global chapter's women members from all over the world. These amazing women share their motivational and inspirational stories with their challenges and obstacles. I joined the global chapter right after I completed the Management Essential Certificate. I was super busy. I was pregnant with my second child while raising a toddler at home, but decided to join the global chapter and as an organizer, coordinate virtual and in-person events to help fellow business professionals build their professional network and find new opportunities to advance their careers. My self-motivation became even stronger after my first event. More than 100 people were registered from all over the world. And at the end of the event, I got many positive feedback. My goal is to share knowledge, educate and inspire our community members with my lecture series, new initiatives, featured professional speakers, executives, authors. As a founder of Speakers Alliance Canada, I always follow psychological safety, and I established the same approach in the global chapter. I always ask our members to share their ideas, feedback, and opinions so we all can work as a team, learn, and grow together. On your screens right now, you see some of the past virtual events and interview series that was facilitated at the global chapter. And if you're willing to join the global chapter and attend the future events, in May, we are going to celebrate the Mental Health Awareness Month, and we will have 3 events. I will have featured mental health experts, so you have a chance to join and have a conversation with the professionals. If you want to join, please visit the community website at community.myhbx.org or reach out to me at gwen@speakersalliance.ca and I'll send you the registration link. Here are some other event flyers. And let's move on the question and answer session. I'm wondering if you had a chance to attend any of our events so far.